Alright, we are live on Instagram. We are about to go live around 6 o'clock. 2 more hours to go. So we're just doing a rundown of the light show. About to do a sound check. Got the songs already in the list. Should be good. One heck of a party tonight. It's going to be on Facebook at DJ Bobby G Underground. But you can also see it live. But they're going to share it to the West Hartford Special Needs Leisure Services page, so you'll be able to go on there. So I'll be live around 6 p.m. till 7, and it's going to be one good of a party. So check it out. Bobby G's in the house, getting ready, about to get dressed soon. Check it out, 6, 7, be there.